Seems to be a growing trend in the hospitality industry over the last number of years. A lot of restaurant operators and people are getting into food trucks or mobile food facilities. I think it's an interesting concept. Instead of the people having to go to the restaurant can go to where the people are. Me personally, I love food trucks. I'm going to be starting one of my own here in the next couple months. So keep an eye out for that. One of the most important things that I've learned after going through this process is, ensuring you have the right insurance coverage. So after you get your business plan, your permits, all that stuff, insurance is, one of the big ticket items that you need to look at. Doesn't matter which event you go to or venue, they're all going to require a certificate of insurance. The main thing that they're looking for there is the general liability aspect. So general liability coverage is going to protect you from premises related lawsuits. So you think, your customers, if they trip over loose wire, standing water, just any accidents that happen there, you're going to be covered. Product related lawsuits, so foodborne illnesses, food poisoning, hot food, they might want to sue you for that. Property damage lawsuits, so if your trailer were to bump into a building or a house, wherever you're set up, it's going to protect you from that. And of course, just general legal fees, regardless of the outcome if you get sued. Another important coverage is the commercial auto piece of it. Depending on the setup, whether it's a food truck or a trailer that you're pulling with the vehicle, that vehicle that you're pulling the trailer with is going to need to be on a commercial auto policy. You can't just keep that on your personal auto policy. It could be a problem in case there ever is a claim, might not be covered. So you want to make sure you get that stuff set up on a commercial auto policy. The main thing that's going to cover is obviously the collision coverage. It's damage to the vehicle or trailer, and permanently attached items on that trailer. So the main thing there is to determine what is permanently attached. So think of things about like your hood, your exhaust fan, propane tanks, any of the stuff that is bolted on your trailer, permanently attached, is going to be under that commercial auto coverage, which is different than the contents coverage, which is commonly known as business personal property. So it's all your supplies that you have in that trailer or truck, your cooking equipment, any supplies you have in there, your generator, things that if you were to flip that trailer or truck upside down, what would fall out would be your contents coverage or business personal property. So you want to make sure you determine, the amount of coverage that you need for each coverage there. So if you're a restaurant owner or just someone who's looking to start a food truck, maybe you already have one, or a trailer for 2023, love to talk with you, hear about what you're doing, and see if we could help you. Evan Becker with BCF Group. I help commercial clients with their business insurance.